Mokokchung, one of the 12 districts, Nagaland. Mokokchung is the home of the Ao Naga tribe. The town Mokokchung is its headquarters. It is bounded by the Assam to its north, Wokha district to its west, Timsang and Longlang district to its east, and Zonobodo district to its south. During the British rule of India, the Mokokchung area was part of the Naga Hill district of Assam. The Mokokchung subdivisions of Naga Hill district was created in 1889 and it remained so following India independence in 1947. Naga Hills district remained as a district of Assam till 1957 when it and Tonsang Rangers divisions of the Northeast Rangers Agency, now Arunachal Pradesh, were joined to form the centrally governed Naga Hills Tonsang area. At that point, Mokokchung subdivisions became a district, one of the three, alongside Kohima and Tonsang districts. February 1961 saw renaming of Naga Hill Tonsang area to Nagaland, and in December 1963, Nagaland became the 16th state of India. Finally, in December 1973 saw the new district of Zonobodo and Wokha carved out of Mokokchung, leaving the border of Mokokchung district as they stand today. Mokokchung district is agriculturally and industrially among the most progressive districts in the states, along with Dimapur and Kohima. Major agricultural regions are Changi, Longnak, Tisurang, Milak and Tikhu River Valley regions. Tuli Milak regions and Changi Longnak Valley are the major industrial areas. The main agricultural products of the districts are rice, maize, tomatoes, passions, fruit and oranges. Mokokchung district has a population of 1,93,171, roughly equal to the nation Samoa. Mokokchung has a sex ratio of 927 females for every 1,000 males and a literacy rate of 92.68%. Christianity is the predominant religion with 95% of its population being Baptist. The district was the first to embrace Christianity in the later parts of the 19th century and continues to be the main Baptist belt of India. Impur, the center of Ao Baptist, Aroko Mongtang Ao Baptist Churches conventions and the largest conventions affiliated with the Nagaland Baptist Churches. Convention is located at the heart of the district. District literacy rate of 84.6% to 2001 census is the highest in the states and one of the highest in the entire country. The district has been declared a fully literate district in 2007 to become Nagaland's first 100% literate district with 104 females for every 1,000 males. It has the 7th healthiest sex ratio amongst the 538 districts of India in the 0 to 6 age group populations. The main festival celebrated by the Aos is Motsu beside Tisangkrimong. Motsu is celebrated in the first week of May every year. Various rituals are performed during this period. Ao observe Motsu monks after the sowing is done. The festivals provide them a period of recreations and entertainment after the stressful work of clearing fields, burning jungles and sowing the seeds. The festival is marked by people's song and dances. The whole festival full of merrymaking and fun which lasts for 3 days. Old and young wears their colorful costumes, sing and dance to express for helping the crops to grow well. Where a big fire is lit and men and women sit around it putting on their complete best attires. The women folks serve the wines and meat. Mokokchung offers a number of destinations for tourists. Lokham village. It is said that a single visit to Lokham isn't enough. Such is the beauty of this place, whose house the magnificent rhododendrons atop the hillocks. This pretty place is also known for its exquisite handlooms and handicraft. Ungma village, this is the second largest village in Nagaland and the oldest and the largest of the Ao tribe, believed to be the birthplace of the Ao tribe. The natives of this village have taken extra precautions to preserve the Ao cultures and traditions. An old log drums, a Baptist church and an astoundingly pretty park located on the outskirts of Ungma are the famous tourist spots. Langpangkong Caves. These caves are situated between the valley of Tikhu and Tizula rivers. Towns Tuli and Changtungya are near these caves, located in the midst of natural beauty in the Langpangkong Mountains range. These caves are believed to have given shelters to an Ahom kingdom. Molong village. This village is known for best for bringing Christianity to the land of the Naga lying in the Changgigong range. There is famous lychee tree, which is believed to have been planted by the first American missionary. Chuchu Yinlang village. This village is an epitome of natural beauty and also renowned for glorious celebrations of various tribal festivals. If you enjoyed the video, then please like the video, comment and share, and subscribe my channel for more facts videos.